Hi. Before doing anything, let's have a quick review. What the heck is this error, and where did it comes from? WMVCORE.DLL missing error. It could be one of these reasons. 1. It missing because, while installing game your antivirus it was on. 2. It could be missing because, some reasons, in your PC. 3. It missing because, you uninstalled Windows Media Player. Or you are using a Windows N, which means it doesn't have Windows Media Player. As you can see, I am using a Windows N2. Okie dokie, we have an error to fix, no more joking. Open your browser, type WMVCORE.DLL. Go to this website. Find your system type architecture. Right-click on My Computer. Go to Properties, then look for System Type. This is your architecture. Open your browser again, and download last version. OK, now, extract the file and copy it, on this address. Now it should be, game runs without any error. Oh gosh. Well, look like it did work, let's try another way. Open your browser again, type Windows Media Player. Go to this website. If you are using Windows 10 and upper, follow these instructions to download Windows Media Player directly. If you not, then download your Windows version's media player. After downloading, try to install it, then restart your PC. Oh shoot! It's going to piss me off. I think I need to try my last shot. That's right, reinstalling Windows to normal version, sad face. Okay brothers, see you all in another life.